Mani from National Highway has promised me this action will be taken. Now this action involves three prongs. One, as you come up there to turn, a small sort of road work will have to be done where you can easily turn and go that way. Second thing that will come in the sequence is opening of the turning. Again, they will have to open up a little bit near the Zuari gate where traffic can turn and come back. The third thing that will be done immediately or simultaneously, you may call it, is closing of this particular rupture which is there, so that people cannot go from one side to another. The fourth thing is near Daboli Junction. In acquired national highway land, people have illegally set up a restaurant. They have literally come on the highway. That has to be immediately demolished. So this is the fourth thing that they have to do. Fifth thing, which will be done first in fact, is signages everywhere so that people clearly know which side they have to go, where they cannot go. The other thing that I have instructed the police, traffic police, is very clear. It is they are going to only allow private vehicles to use this shortcut road, not commercial vehicles, not heavy vehicles, no taxis from the airport. Just because it is little short distance, everybody goes there. We have seen how many accidents have taken place. We are not waiting for a very serious accident to happen. So we are taking the preventive measures. So all these steps will be initiated simultaneously. It is the demand of the people.
First thing is this unauthorized opening, which is there just in front of NSD. This has to be closed first. As you people have already witnessed a lot of accidents are taking place. People have lost their life. So human life is very important. So we have to, first thing is we have to close this unauthorized opening. That I am going to do within 10 days time. Further, near Juwari, that gate number 1, that temporary opening will be done in consultation with the Juwari people. And this junction, that taking our left turn, that improvement also will take care of.
आमचे मिनिस्टरान सांगलां सगळें कितें हो जो इथे कमर्शियल व्हेकल पळय आहाय आनी टॅक्सी पळय आहाय ते पब्लीक लायफ इतली रिस्की जावन गेलो आहा आमची ते चोवपा सारके रेस गायली दिसता तेणी स्पीड घालता सो आमकां सरान सांगलां हिंगा थोडे इलिगलिटीजूय आहाय थोड्यांनी कित कित केलो आहा तेवूय नोटीस काड म्हण तेवूय आमी बंद करतले आनी आमी सायन बोर्ड घालतले आनी ट्रॅफिकाकूय इंस्ट्रक्शन दिलां थोडे दीस तेणी हिंगा रावपाचें आनी कमर्शियल आनी टॅक्सीज आहाय ह्या रुटान बंद करतले सारकें